that sound coming off the guitar. But how come it is just unbelievable? What a guitarist. Wow.
His melodies, that's funky. That's funky right there, man. That is just funk all up in your face. I got...
No way, bro. You know what? I'm not even gonna react to it. That's it. I'm done. No, I'm just kidding, bro. But holy shit, man. Alip really did that shit? Let me bring it back. That's incredible, bro. That's incredible. Wow. Let me see one more time. Holy shit, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't get it. He's not human. There's no way this dude is human, bro. How do you treat the guitar like that? You know what I mean? He's literally making the guitar make the sound that he wants it to make, bro. Like.
Oh shit. Guys. Wait. He's making... Oh my god, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This part here, guys. Can you see it? Ding, 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 ding. I'm gonna leave it right there because I don't want to get the blocked or copyright claimed. Okay, so he's making that sound with his guitar. Let's just go back a little bit. What is going on? The sound of the synthesizer.
That's pretty cool. Actually, this might not be in standard tuning. Dude! That sounds exactly like the song, bro. He even does the little... Hey Sally, how does he do that? Can you come here and tell me? That's pretty cool. That's really cool, dude. I don't know. I think I know how he does that. It sounds exactly like the song. Check it out.
Where are you now?
See what I'm saying? I was like, you know, Alip's not gonna do much in this song, but he never fails to impress me. But he is my dad.
His melodies, that's funky. That's funky right there, man. That is just funk all up in your face. I gotta get with this one right here. I'm gonna get with this one right here. I got to, man. I like that, man. Hold on. Let me back that on all the way up. Yeah, hang with that.
that sound coming off the guitar. But how come it is just unbelievable? What a guitarist. Wow.
Sound. It's more like it's like low, slightly lower pitch. I cannot believe he's actually got it. Okay, so he's playing with the harmonics on that, but hey, hey, yo, bro, let's go. Sing, bro. This man makes this instrument sing, man. Those strings are dancing around you. You can feel the waves that come off those strings. They're dancing around you. Let's go.
I did not expect that. I know it comes in the song. I know that sound effect is in the song, but I did not expect that at all. The way he done that, big props, bro. Big props. Honestly, that was insane. That part there was mental. Seriously.
Okay, I love this part. Just wow.